In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Vidiq in Chrome. It's a straightforward process that shouldn't take longer than a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you've opened up your Google Chrome browser. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and launch Chrome so we can begin with this simple installation process. Once you have Google Chrome open, we'll need to access the Chrome Web Store. To do this, move your mouse cursor to the address bar at the top of the browser. In that bar, type in chromegoogle.com/webstore. After you've typed it out, simply press enter. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find a wide variety of extensions, including Vidiq. Now, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see a search bar. Click on this search bar so you can start your search for the extension we need. In the search bar, type Vidiq and press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of related extensions. From this list, you're going to look for Vidiq Vision for YouTube. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. This will take you to the extensions homepage within the Chrome Web Store, where you can learn more about what it offers and its features. Now that you're on the correct page, you're ready to add the extension to your browser. On this page, you'll notice a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. Shortly after clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up will ask you to confirm your desire to add the extension. When you see this, click Add Extension. You're almost done. The final step is to make Vidiq easily accessible in your browser. To do this, navigate to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll notice a little puzzle icon. This icon represents extensions that are installed on your browser. Click on that puzzle icon and a list of your extensions will drop down. Look for Vidiq in that list. When you find it, you'll see a pin icon next to it. Click the pin icon to keep Vidiq pinned to your toolbar for easy access. And there you have it. Vidiq is now installed on your Chrome browser, ready to help you optimize your YouTube experience. With Vidiq, you'll be able to gain insights into your video's performance, improve your channel's reach, and connect better with your audience. Be sure to explore all its features to make the most out of your YouTube efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.